that photo there. It's a nice overview of some of the different machines that we produce and the areas that they're used on. Gear shift levers, air conditioning lines, air intake lines, coolant lines, or transmission, suspension components, the different tubes and seat components. We inform, then test, and then assemble. And this is our newest plant, our sixth building, and this was built in 2017. This machine is a production informing for producing an inform on the end of an aluminum tube. Again, automotive air conditioning is what the final product's going to be used on. What we're doing is we're sending it through this machine one time, producing an inform on it, reintroducing those tubes back into it. We're using a vision system on the end of a robot, come down, pick the parts up, set them up onto the conveyor to send them back in to do the option and produce the inform on it.
So the process before you got this machine was that you would use multiple machines?
Yeah, it's probably maybe a tenth of the time for actual cycle time. We see a great advantage in cycle time. We're getting around a 4-second cycle time on this machine, and we're doing it all within one machine, which will give you a much better quality part. This is the hose testing machine here. Most all the lines have a small section of hose. This is a restrike fixture. That's a custom machine that we're building to be a one-off style machine. Now this machine formed a bent part that in order to make a real tight tolerance on the end. So what we're doing is after the bend, they're cutting it off, chamfering it to make sure that the ends are meet the tolerances that the customer's after on this. Here is the sol area. Material comes in from the various sources. This section here is our OD/ID grinding, surface grinding on down. That's the newest one right there. Same style machine, just different size capabilities. So, and then we have EDM. We have 4 wire EDMs, a hole popper, and then 2 plunge EDMs. And then this Makino is our newest. This section back here is a rack and pinion, the hob to produce the pinions, and then the horizontal mill is what we use to produce the racks. This section here is our powder paint. We clean the components, add the powder to them, and then take them into the oven, and that creates the hardened finish by baking it into the surface. So these are components that we produce at one of our locations, and they are machine bases. This is what the basic heart, and then the panels that you've seen over there would be bolted on the outside of it. This is a wild color. This is a machining operation, some components for different machines that we're making. And the way we are set up here, there's Mastercam programming done in the center section, and then from there the programs can be sent out to the individual machines.